What's up everyone, Yoda Fam Adventures back with another video. Today I'll be doing an unboxing / install for the Bulletpoint mounting solutions kit for the Toyota Tacoma. I'll show y'all what I got and then we'll get to the install. Okay, so here are the things I got. First I got the GMRS radio mount, so I no longer have to have it in my way on my start button and my emergency lights button. Second, I got an extra arm. I'm going to use my magnetic mount that I already have, and I'm going to put it on one side and then mount the other side here. This is the actual mount here. Comes with a screwdriver, bottle opener, a few extra tools, and the drill bit you need to drill with. So I got the 3-mount bar. I'm going to have my tablet, my radio, and my phone. I'll show y'all when I set that up. And I apologize for the plane going right over my house while I'm recording this. Another extra mount. Depending on the length, I'll choose between this arm being for my phone or this arm being for my phone. That comes in 3 pieces you put together. And then this one is the tablet. Comes with stickers as well. Another bottle opener, the tablet mount, and then the carbon Kevlar arm. So I'll get to the install on this. Sorry for the background noise. Okay, so first you're going to put back just a few clips behind here. Pretty easy to do. Okay, so I prepped this a little bit outside and then I came inside to show this because the planes are flying over like crazy today because there's nice weather finally. Alright, so what I did is I lined this in painter's tape, and I've already drawn my holes, but I want to show you how I lined it up so I can avoid drilling in the wrong spot. First of all, if you look at this, it's slanted and you want to angle the mount towards you. So when I put this on here, all my holes are lined up right now, but what I did was I lined up the center mount to this red tab here so I can avoid drilling it. Once I had that lined up, all I did was take a pen and mark all the circles, and now I will put it up here to confirm that that's where I want my mounts to be, and then I'll pull it back off and drill it out, and I'll show that process as well. So I'm not going to actually snap it into place because I don't want that tape to come off. So that's about where it would be, which is perfect. It's almost perfectly centered to the radio, which is what I want, because I want my phone to be here, I want my tablet to be here, and then my radio I'll probably move over to or something like that. We'll see how that works. So now I'll pop it back off and I will go drill the holes. Alright, so far I put the bolts through first. Have one more, just a little bit of a tip. If you take the Phillips head and hold your finger like that, it's a lot easier to feed it in like that. And just remember that it's angled towards the driver. Once you put it down on there, you could use the Phillips head to kind of start each hole like that. That one went through. That one went through. You can kind of press down on them like that, and then you see that they pop down there. Then you can continue putting the hardware on the bottom. So just in case anyone's wondering, I ended up using my own drill bit. It was a 5/32 drill bit. The drill bit that they give you doesn't have a measurement on it. Alright, so the lighting is a little weird right now in my truck because the sun kind of went away and it's getting a little darker. But got everything tightened down pretty solid. Now all you got to do is hear that satisfying click, and it clicks right back into place. I'm pretty much done with the install. Now I'm going to configure how I'm going to mount my phone and all that stuff, and I will show that in just a minute. Okay, so here it is. I had to reroute my wire because I have my GMRS radio mounted inside here, so I had to reroute it and run it here. I love the way this mounts. The vent still works and it can blow in your face, and then at the same time the radio's like out of the way. You could still control all this stuff. I'm removing this. This is my old phone mount, but that's the iPad holder. And just for anybody else wondering, you can turn it the way I have it right now. It adjusts up and down and stuff like that to different sizes. You can actually use that to mount your phone as well, up and down. So if you see there's nothing on this one, it's because I forgot to order my actual magnetic phone mount. But I will be buying a phone mount for this one, and then I'll have it kind of offset over here right next to my radio, and then my iPad setup will be here. And then if I don't have the iPad set up, I can turn that towards my wife and she can have her phone there, and if she wants to watch like her own YouTube video or movie or whatever while we're on the road, she can do that as well. So I want to try to figure out a nicer, cleaner way to run my charging cable for my Apple CarPlay from here to here, but for now I just have the extra wire tucked back here, and then it's here. If anyone is wondering, this is a baby monitor for my son when he's in the back seat. This thing was like, I think $20 or $30 on Amazon, and we got it for our registry, and it's been the best thing ever. We can pay attention to him when he's back there. If he falls asleep and nods his head down, we could adjust his head and all that stuff. But anyways, getting off track. Super simple install. I think I showed everything that you need to do. It's super clean. It's very modular. You can move these things around up and down. It's super nice. I love it. And for the price, you cannot beat it. I highly recommend this thing to anyone. If you're in the market for a phone mount system, the worst you can do is buy it, install it, test it out, and if you don't like it, then maybe you get one of the more expensive ones, but I guarantee you you'll like this thing. By the way, they did not send me this product, and I am not being paid to say all this stuff. I'm genuinely impressed with the quality and stuff of this thing, so I can't wait to test it out. We should be headed out towards, I believe we're gonna go to the Ozarks on Thursday after Thanksgiving, and I get to test it out. I'll be on trails and stuff and see how sturdy this stuff is as well. So if you enjoyed this install video, please leave a like. If you're watching and you're not subscribed, please subscribe. I've noticed quite a bit of growth and a lot of views lately, and not very many subscribers, but the people that have subscribed, I really appreciate it. If y'all have any questions or comments, just leave them down below, and I'll get back to them as quick as possible. Again, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.